So hello friends, in today's video I'll share a script with you. So basically we will get the day of a future calendar with these scripts. So like for example I want to get the day of 26th of Jan 2045. So what will be the day? So we can get the day through the PowerShell script. So you can change the numbers like month and day according to your requirement and the year also. So for example I'm sharing the script with you. So for getting the day of the future calendar, we have to first define the year. So like we want to get the year 2025, 45, and we have the month is first like Jan, and the day is we are getting on 26th. Then we have to create the uh, date object for the specified date. So for that we have to create a variable here. So I'm just creating a variable future date, and then we have to get date, and we need to get the year. Year is coming from year, and month is coming from month, and then the day is coming from the day. Then we have to retrieve the day of the week. So for that I'm just creating a variable again here. So I'm just writing day of week, and we have to define the future date, and then day of week. Now we have to display the result here. So for that I'm using write host, and I'm just writing a custom message here like January 26th 2045 will be we have to define the variable day of week here. Okay, so let's run the script and just see the result. So you can see January 26, 2045 will be a Thursday. So let's check on the computer calendar. So we'll go to the 45, and we have to go to the Jan, and you can see it's 26th of Jan will be Thursday. So here is the correct data. We get it from the script. You can change the year and month and day according to your requirement. I have just shown you an example how can we get the future date of the future calendar. So you can get any of the date with changing of these numbers. You can change these numbers according to your requirement and get the details on the PowerShell only.